Monkeypox patient escape isolation from the Mapen Hospital. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The traveler from the United Kingdom who was confirmed with the contagious monkeypox virus has fled the Mapen Hospital in Clarendon. According to the police and health authorities, the whereabouts of the man up to the publication of this report is still unknown. The man was under isolation at the Mapen Hospital when the incident occurred. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton said that the man jumped through a bathroom window on Saturday and left in a car that was waiting for him. The police have visited his home, but he has not been found. The health minister have stated that the action was premeditated and planned. He is reminding members of the public that the disease is contagious and to do all they can in order to protect themselves and be on the lookout. He is also urging the public not to harm the individual that has escaped from the Mapen Hospital. He further stated that the solution is not to apprehend or engage in a confrontation with any individual having these symptoms. The best thing is to call the police or the parish health authority, he told reporters. Meanwhile, test results from a suspected case in St. James have come back negative. Tufton advised the country on July the 6th that the virus was detected in Jamaica. He said that the man went to the public health system on the 5th of July, having arrived in the island 5 days earlier from the United Kingdom. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching.